welcome to my YouTube channel CoolZie TV, and today we are gonna experience another unboxing experience. And this is a product that I brought to you today. Is quite special, alright, because this is actually one of my biggest upgrade in producing my own studio. Alright, okay, so let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, so this is, we call it, the product name is Gigabyte B460 Aorus Pro AC Motherboard Intel with B460 chipset. Alright. Okay, so this is motherboard for Intel. Alright, so we have two processors, as you know. We have the AMD Ryzen. Usually for this one is for the Intel, right? So we have the few lot of processor. Okay, we have the Intel i3, i5, i7, i9, and Ryzen also. We have Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, and if I'm not mistaken, because I'm not a fan of Ryzen, alright, because I use Intel for the whole of my life, so better stay with it, alright. Maybe a lot of people say that you should go for Ryzen because it's better, but for me, it's more trust. It's all about trust and about the brand. Okay, so this is also okay. Why I buy the Gigabyte? Okay, this is Gigabyte. This is Gigabyte company. A lot of company also make motherboard. Asus, MSI. We have Asus, MSI, and we have what else? I think many a lot of company, but during my research, that's name always come up, Asus and MSI. Okay, and also Gigabyte. Alright, so why I buy Gigabyte? Because for the overall, after a lot of research I done, so this is the best for me. Alright, and also right now I'm using the Gigabyte as well. Alright, and I already use it for more than 8 years, and it's really worked well. Alright, so see, that's why I choose the product, because I have experience with the product, with the, we call it, with the performance of the company. Alright, okay, as I know that, and when I go to the shop, they say that all the motherboard are good. Yeah, I know. Alright, but at the end of the day, it depends on you. Alright, either you trust or not. Alright, okay, so this is the box. Okay, it's really nice box. Okay, this is Pro. Okay, so B460 Aorus Pro piece AC, a gaming motherboard with LGA 1200 and Intel chipset B460 and support Intel Core 10 Gen. Alright, and this is green in a DVD out and the Gigabyte. Alright, that's it. Okay, and here you can see the, okay, this is the nothing, just like the information about the product. Okay, wait. Okay, this is just detail about the product, and here you have the we call it the multi-language information about the product as well. Okay, and here nothing, just like that one. Okay, and at the below we have the, alright, here we have a lot of picture here. Okay, alright, so this is detail. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain a bit, even though I'm not really an expert in computer, but I can read it out for you. Okay, so this is a direct 8+2 phase digital VRM solution, and this is advanced thermal design, because this is for gaming, so we need a already built in the thermal design. Okay, and also this Intel 2.5 GbE LAN. Okay, LAN, and we have the Intel dual band, and we have the ALC1220 audio IC. Okay, so that's okay. Now you got a lot of information here. Okay, as you can see. Alright, the CPU support 10 Gen Intel Core processor, chipset. Okay, and the HDMI DisplayPort. You got a dual channel DDR4. Okay, dual channel, which means we have the dual channel DDR4 is for the RAM. Okay, DDR4, yes. Okay, and we have the memory DIMMS. We have 4 memory DIMMS, and we have the wireless Intel dual. We have the LAN. We have the USB, we have four USB type inside, and also four USB port. All right. Okay. So let's see what's inside. Okay. So that's simple only. All right. Because actually, if you ask me, I'm not good in explaining about the computer because I'm not a computer guy, but I'm just here to share with you the experience. Alright, maybe you want to buy somewhere, you want to buy sometime. Okay, before that, the price is around 480 in ringgit Malaysia, so around maybe around $150 or maybe $200 around that. Okay, it's quite expensive compared to normal because this is a gaming motherboard. Alright, so let's see the inside. Okay, here we go. Oh, I love the smell. Alright, wait, so that's the motherboard. Alright, so okay, so let's open. Okay, I can pull this one out. Okay, here. Alright, and as here you can see there's a manual, and also like oh, this is more like sticker. Alright, Aorus. Alright, this is the brand. Okay, as Gigabyte Aorus, and also this is the manual. Okay, so this is the user manual. Okay, but even though a lot of my friends said you can build out yourself, but I will not take the risk. Okay, I will need to go to somewhere. Alright, to build it for me. Alright, because it's a lot of risk here, and it's not something cheap, so I won't take any risk. Okay. So, and alright, and at the down here, at the box, we have the, I think this is all the cable needed for the motherboard lah. Alright, I can explain to you. This is a G connector. Okay, and here is the here is the Wi-Fi. Okay, here is a Wi-Fi, I think maybe. Alright, let's see. This is the yes, Intel dual band 8OC. I like Wi-Fi. This is Wi-Fi. So they are built in Wi-Fi, but I will not use it lah since I'm using the LAN wire. Okay. Alright. Okay. So that's it. So let's see what's inside. Okay, I'm not going to throw all of this because all the box, because I still need to use it. Alright. Because I will. Maybe next week I will just go to any shop and ask them to build it for me. Okay. Alright, and here we go. Alright. So this is the motherboard. How do you open it? I don't know. Maybe this is a proper way to I don't know. Just pull it. Okay, just pull it. Oh, it's quite heavy. Okay. Alright. So here these are. Alright. Yeah. This is the motherboard. Okay. I will remove the plastics for you guys, so that you can see better. I love the smell. The best part is purchasing new technologies, because the item is the smell. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is the motherboard. Alright, okay, I'm getting close to you guys. Before you want to buy, so you can see this how it look like. Okay. Alright. Okay, so maybe I can explain a bit here from what I know. Alright, this is the RAM slot. Maybe. No, this is the RAM slot. Alright, sorry, I don't know. Alright, and this is the audio input. Alright, okay. And here is we have the. So I give you close vision about this. Wait, hold on. Okay. Alright, and just turn it around. Yeah. Okay, and here. Okay, here you can see this all the port that are provided for you lah. Alright. Okay, so here we got the USB 3.2 2 port here. 2 port, and we have the Wi-Fi. This 2 is for the Wi-Fi, connect with the Wi-Fi just now. And we have the one HDMI and one DP. Okay, DP. Alright, and we have the Type C one, USB 12.2.2 Type C. Okay, and we have the another 3.2 USB. So we have 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3.2 type USB cable. Alright, and we have the LAN slot, and also we have all the audio and mic parts. Okay, alright. Okay, so that's all I can do for you guys, and I cannot go to even more detail. Alright, but this is the motherboard. Okay, so this is the product. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Okay, and if you have anything to me, alright, maybe if I may make another video about detail about this one. Okay, maybe in future. I'm not sure yet, because this is not gonna do. We not use it in the we cannot see the function, because it's stored inside the CPU, right? So maybe we can also this is the processor slot, as you can see here, right? That's all I know. Alright, sorry. Okay, so I'm also learning right now. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. And also we're gonna see you on the next video about another video. It's another part of this upgrade. Alright, maybe you can guess, maybe some of you can guess something is as expensive as this one as well. Alright, and all those unboxing video for next video will be put on top of this. This is the motherboard. This is the brain of the body of the computer. Alright, and the brain is actually the processor, how they process the information. Alright, okay, so see you on the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment anything you want to tell me about this product, and I will answer to you guys. Okay, so see you on the next video. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.